Alright friends, so I wanted to do just a very quick video on how to look up items as you are looking to price your items, okay? So we'll take this shirt. I already have this listed, but we'll just go with it anyway. So this brand, whenever I was listing it, because you have to put in the original price over here. So what I do is I always keep two tabs open. You can see I have more up here, and I just type in whatever it is, the brand, boys polo shirt, and so here it is. Here's the exact one. You can see right here it was $24. It's on sale for $8.99. So this is how you find how much something originally was. Thankfully this is a current product, so that works out great. But sometimes it isn't a current product. So we'll go back here to, okay, so something like this dress here that I have for sale. It's a formal dress. And sometimes you just have to make your best judgment call, but I went ahead and I do a Google search, Betsy and Adam formal dresses. And here you can see Betsy and Adam at Macy's. Here you can see some of the prices to get a general feel for how much they usually are. Oh wow, that's so cute. I can't wear that, but it's super cute. Anyway, and you know, try to find one that's kind of similar in style. This one kind of is, but it's like a little bit more metallic-y, but it's generally the same-ish style. So, you know, just take a look around. You don't want to spend a ton of time doing this, but it is important. So if you can find out for sure, yes, this is a $279 dress, then you can ask a fair amount for it and you're able to get the price that you want for it. So I just looked through here at the time that I listed that, because I listed that dress a while ago, things were about $199-ish, but now I see they kind of gone up, so you know, I'm just gonna leave it because you know, these are current dresses, not older dresses. So that's how I got the, since I couldn't find the exact dress, I went ahead and just did $199. And anybody who goes to this website, they'll see, oh, okay, dresses are about $200 to $300-ish. Here, this one's $320, but marked down. You know, so they'll know that my original price isn't totally unrealistic. If it's a current style, I'll try to say, you know, current style somewhere in the description, so then people can see, like this Dooney and Burke bag. I know this is an older style Dooney and Burke, and Dooney and, oh, where's my hand sign? And Burke, Dooney and Burke logo fabric bag or purse. And since I know that that one is an older one, you know, I'll try to find something close to it. Sometimes you can find other Poshmarker people who have the original price in it, and that's helpful. Like here's one of a different style that I have for sale. That's a Dooney and Burke. This one they have originally $124. What do I have mine at $2.25. I must have found it somewhere else for $2.25. This is on McCarty, which is a reselling platform that I don't know anything about. I can only advise you on what I know. Let's see. On the out of style bags, the ones that aren't like current, this is what I would recommend doing. Here's another one. Yeah, here they're asking $109 for a used one, so you know, my price that I have posted isn't unrealistic. I try to be very realistic and as honest as I can be, and if I can't find it, I'll just put 0. Oh, here's one. Visit. Alright, get a $50 off, shipping included. So here's a used one that they have for sale for $94. They don't have an original price on it. But you know, whenever you want to base it off of the new price of what it was whenever it was new. And you know, if you just don't know, just put 0. Anyway, I just wanted to do a little video of just, you know, how to figure out that original price point. And thankfully all these clothes are new. They're current styles. And, you know, I add this little new without tag thing whenever I do my editing because I like it. I feel like it grabs attention. Like, oh, it's new without tags instead of this NWOT. Because some people don't know what that is. Most people do, but some people don't. So I type new without tags and just add that to my little listings. And you can see all my listings. I hold true to what I teach you how to do. I put the title as the first line, just a little general information, nothing super fancy. Then all the measurements, and then my little reference number. And every single one of my listings looks like this. I make these little essential oil travel bags or little makeup bags, and even on these I'll put a little bit about the bags. I do a disclaimer that even though they're lined with waterproof fabric, they still have a zipper and some oil can go through, so they aren't like completely waterproof. So, you know, people can't get mad at me for if oil gets loose and some of it seeps out at the zipper. Like, I cover my butt, but I still put, you know, the measurements on there, a little bit about it. Alright, just a quick little video for you. Alright, have a good day, everyone.